So it's happening again. It's all the Igbo billionaires are still in Spain, in Marabel, Spain, and it's happening again. You can see what's happening here. It's Austin's birthday. Austin is a fellow Igbo billionaire. I want to tell you this. I could see Chief Priest. See, all of them guide, no worry. They guide, no worry. So it's Austin's birthday, and every other person pulled out, and it's happening again. They are still balling. This is how many days? It's been over 5 days in Spain. Joey Zaza, everybody. Because OBI CUBANA was not there. I think even Chief Priest were not there when they all started. Before you know it, every other person from your summer vacation, it's happening in Spain. Everybody's turning down to Spain. So Spain is where it's hot right now. So I think I will leave you guys to enjoy the moment so you can see what's happening. But it's Austin's birthday and every other person thought, no, this is Austin, right? So it's Austin's birthday and everybody pulled out and it's happening. That's flames. It's just watch, so I won't bore you down with my plenty talk this time. Happy birthday!
My artist! When are we dropping the next album?
In a couple of hours later. From 5. My music is hitting 5 first.
Where is it happening?
Live here in Marbella.
Marbella, where's Marbella?
Somebody in a machine shop, Ukaigawa Summer.
Oh, yeah. Marbella, play some of
Mawoke Dinimapa. Ejike Mo Walebolisa. We are coming circles in 1 month. Billions fighting billions.
I get take keke.
How big game? You listen to album. How about that? What's the finest? Don't worry, I'm not going to take it. Let them not distract the video and achieve. These are the billionaire brothers of my younger brothers. 40 for 40 loading. 40 for 40. 50 for 50. I think what at 8 on a half, yeah? 50. You are too old for this video, but I have to put you on. Hey! What is the finest? What is the finest? 25. Huh? 21. I'll be 50. I'll be 250. I don't Patrick managing well. This one passed me. You can't on a lamp. Google up, on a lamp.
Google.
Patrick,
yes, sir.
We're going off 8 year. We are coming.
Yes, sir.
Nobody's coming in August.
Okay, we are ready for you. We are ready.
Pablo is here.
Yes.
Bite me up for my 4,000 euros.
Hey! Nah, they go to men's then.
You know that? Say you want to ask me a question.
No, that's can I go around? Okay, now
You can go Beru. Welcome, Chipado. You're not on the bone. You're on the bone.
You can't get no one. I will be like you if we give.
Oh, Belechukunambise.
When I come back.
Oh, Belechukunambise.
When I come back from travel. What is the first
thing?
What is the first thing I'll ask for?
What will you talk any high? Will you talk? Chivex.
I don't know till I.
Chireke goes there. Thank you. Enroll the man. Watch it. Ah! Oh, yeah, baby, walk. Hey, walk. Oh, yeah, baby, wow.
The bee is in my bear. Stop calling names. Stop mentioning money.
The money is real, bro.
What did you say again? How much?
750 billion pounds.
I'm not living. I'm an European citizen. Degrees.
I'm not telling you about
Freshers.
The only thing is that when I am, but I could walk over there. I would not.
Oh yes, now you're the flames. You're the flames. You're the flames.
So tomorrow 10 a.m. GMT on 5 station.
Onye lere mma ị ga-ere nwa egwu. Onye mere azụ ga-amị nwa egwu. Aka ọbụla mere azụ, ọ ga-amị nwa egwu.
Thank you tomorrow.
Escúchame. Dios me manda. Para esto tienes tanto dinero. Mucho dinero. Mucho, Romano. Mucho dinero. Fuck that champagne, bro. I ain't having it, Tú tienes tanto dinero. Romano.
Amigo. Pop the fucking champagne.
So tomorrow, 10 a.m. GMT. On Vibe Station.
Onye lere mma ị ga-ere nwa egwu. Onye mere azụ ga-amị nwa egwu. Aka ọbụla mere azụ, ọ ga-amị nwa egwu.
Thank you tomorrow.
Escucha me. Dios mi hermana. Para esto tienes tanto dinero. Mucho dinero. Mucho, Romano. Mucho dinero. Fuck that champagne, bro. I ain't having it, Tú tienes tanto dinero. Romano. Vamos.
Amigo. Pop the fucking champagne.
Leader of all leaders is here. Leader of all leaders. Hey, I want to say.
The boss.
Oh, Ife.
What's your boy? The boss.
Happy New Year. The Paskal. I'm Alonso. World best.
We are here in my big air. About time, huh? Over here chilling.
Okay, I guess to see what's happening in Spain. Almost all the Igbo guys, Cubana Chief Praise, Rizal Vintage, what's his name again? Enviable and co. All of them are in Spain. Shutting down, even Flemsy and co. All of them are in Spain shutting down. One thing I love about Igbos is whenever they occupy, you see, whenever they occupy, they take.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and
and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Hey,